What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. As you all know, OnePlus recently rolled out Android 12 developer preview for OnePlus 9 series. In this video, we'll take a look at the launcher difference on both the devices because OnePlus 9 series is running ColorOS launcher instead of OnePlus stock launcher. We'll check out all the differences and the customization options available on ColorOS launcher with that of OnePlus launcher. Before starting the video, thank you so much for 200 likes on our previous video. Let's keep the same like target of 200 likes on this video too. Also, we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request. Do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So here you can see we have two phones on the table. One is OnePlus 8 running Oxygen OS 11 and the second one is OnePlus 9 which is running Android 12. And here you can see on OnePlus 8 we have the latest version of OnePlus launcher, and on our OnePlus 9 we have ColorOS launcher. So in future when OnePlus 8 will get Android 12, that will obviously come with the ColorOS launcher. But after watching the video, you guys let me know in the comment section below which launcher is better for OnePlus devices. So first we'll start with the home screen. On home screen you won't find much of difference, but when it comes to OnePlus Shelf, that has been replaced on Android 12. So this is the OnePlus Shelf feature of Oxygen OS and this is the shelf section of ColorOS launcher. I do like the ColorOS launcher shelf because here you can see you have lots of options to customize, but that's not the case on OnePlus Shelf. So this is the recents panel on Android 11 with that of Android 12. Here we have the smaller pill for Clear All, but a huge pill on the Android 12. And below that you can also get this feature where you can check out the free memory on your device. So not a major difference, but yes, there's a difference between the recents panel too. Now if you long press on the home screen, on ColorOS launcher, we have this nice handy feature wherein you can select multiple applications at one go and move it in the single folder. But that's not the case on OnePlus launcher, where we don't get the option to select multiple icons at once. Along with multiple selection, we also have an option to choose the home screen page where you want to place these applications. And at bottom you will also get to see create a folder option. And also if you take a look at the options available on both the launchers, you can see on ColorOS launcher we have lots of options like wallpapers, icons, widgets, layout, transition and more. But on OnePlus stock launcher we get only 3 options, which is wallpaper, widget and home settings. Another cool feature which I liked on ColorOS launcher is the ability to create wallpapers using any photo present in the gallery application. So this is the wallpaper section on both the launchers. On OnePlus launcher we have this basic stuff where we have to slide towards the right hand side to have access of live wallpapers and other stuff. But on ColorOS launcher we have a different category for live wallpapers, static wallpapers, and you can also create the wallpapers from here. So here is a feature called Inventive Wallpaper. Tapping on it, it says create your own wallpaper, where if you want you can also click a picture, or if you want you can select a photo from gallery. So let's select a photo from gallery and I'll choose this wallpaper. Just tapping on this tick mark, it will generate a wallpaper based on the colors present on that wallpaper what we selected. And still it will give you a few options from where you can select the wallpaper. Isn't it cool? I do like this feature to create some awesome wallpapers. After that we have next category on ColorOS launcher, that is related to icon, and here also you have lots of options to choose from the icons. If you want you can also create a custom icon by selecting the shape and customizing between rounded corners and foreground. And now let's take a look at the widget section on both the launchers. So this is how widget section looks on ColorOS launcher, but here on OnePlus launcher it's been the same from the day one. I haven't noticed much of changes in the widget section of OnePlus launcher. So you guys let me know which one looks better. After that we also have few more options like layout and transitions. Under layout you can change the layout of applications, and at last we also get to see the transition options which you can set for home screen pages. And now let's go inside the launcher settings. So these are the settings of both the launcher. And on ColorOS launcher you can see we have lots of options to customize. But that's not the case on OnePlus stock launcher. We have basic stuff like you can enable or disable, add icon on the home screen, swipe down for the notification. We get the option to choose between Shelf and Google. And talking about Shelf guys, on OnePlus launcher we have the option to enable Shelf by swiping towards the right hand side. But on ColorOS launcher we get the ability to enable Shelf by swiping from the right top corner. So this is one feature which I personally don't like, because we have an habit of swiping down the notification panel to check out the notification, but in that case most of the time shelf section pops up. So it will take some time to get used to it, but it would have been nice if OnePlus would have given some other option to trigger shelf. So there are few similarities on both the launchers, but let's take a look at some of the additional features what we get to see on ColorOS launcher. And one of them is this app startup and closing animation. So here you can choose between fast, medium and slow animation speed for app startup. And trust me, when you set it to fast, there's a lots of noticeable difference. Along with that, we also get to see this recent task manager from where you can log the applications which you frequently use. If you don't even log those applications, system will automatically decide on your usage pattern which all applications you use the most, those applications will be logged. I personally did not like this feature because normally I do close all the applications after using the device for a while. But here, if you clear all the applications which are logged, they won't get cleared from the recents panel. And as you can see here, it depends on person to person, but I still did not like this feature. And whenever you clear recents on both the devices, let me show you here, if I tap on clear all, I don't get to see any message here, it just clear all the applications. But if I tap close all applications in recents panel of ColorOS launcher, here I get a message, your phone is in the best condition. Other than these things, we also get to see few additional options from where you can access directly to the system navigation and the AOD features. So guys, I think there's a lots of difference between the ColorOS launcher with that of OnePlus launcher. ColorOS launcher have lots of customization options, but that's not the case on OnePlus launcher. Still, it completely depends on person to person. But you guys let me know in the comment section below, according to you guys, which launcher you guys will prefer on your OnePlus device. According to me, if I had to choose between ColorOS launcher with that of OnePlus launcher, it's been a long time OnePlus haven't made major changes in the launcher. So I would probably prefer for ColorOS launcher on my OnePlus device. So guys, this was a quick look between the customization features on OnePlus launcher with that of ColorOS launcher. I hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.